Let's start with the most important inventory number. 1,800 followers on Instagram. Look out, Josh Altman. Got a lot of comments on my dance moves the last video. March inventory update. Welcome back, guys. I have a great video for you on the local inventory in Manhattan, Hermosa, Redondo. This is March 15th, and we're gonna dive right into the total inventory is up to 81 in the 3 beach cities. It was at 60 last month, and now it's at 81. That's a big jump. It was at 61 in January, 60 in February. Now we're at 81 in March, which is kind of going against the headlines of there's no inventory and the market's really tight. Well, that is true. 81 is still historically very low. It's half of what we had in June of 2021. But I will tell you, houses continue to come on the market, and what we're also seeing is really high pending numbers. So inventory is low, but it doesn't mean the market has gridlocked. It's still moving. The houses that come on sell right away. And to that point, some of the market data is backing that up. Manhattan Beach, average days on market, 7. Hermosa Beach, average days on market is 10. So going into Manhattan Beach, active, 33 homes, that's up 10 from last month. Pending, we have 40 homes in escrow, that's up 3 from last month. Sold, we are at 23 sold in the last 30 days. That is up 6 from the last month. So you're seeing activity up on all fronts. Houses coming on, houses going into escrow, and houses closing. Average closed sales price is 3.182. And then, like I said before, average days on market is 7, and we have a high sale in Manhattan Beach of 5.850. Now in Hermosa Beach, active homes, 19. That's only up 3 from last month. Pending, 23 homes. That's up 4 from last month. Sold, 14 homes. That's up 6 from last month. So you again seeing all 3 categories rising means activity is rising. It's after Super Bowl. It's springtime. This is the hot time in the market historically, and we're seeing that trend continue. In Hermosa Beach, the average sales price is 2.65. Average days on market, like I said before, is 10. And the interesting stat in Hermosa Beach, when you take the closed price versus the listed price, homes on average are closing 104% above the listed price. 104% on average above the listed price. In Redondo Beach, actives are 29. That's up 8 from last month. Pending is 69 homes. That's up 24 homes from last month. Activity has gone nuts in Redondo Beach. And sold, we're at 44, which is about where we were, up 2 from last month. Average sales price is up. We're at 1.45. That's up about 8% from just last month's average sale. And then the average sold price versus list price in Redondo, this interesting stat, is 7% in Redondo Beach. So you're hearing a lot of stories about things going over asking. It's true, but what I will tell you is these are interesting stats. Hermosa Beach is going on an average 4%, so on $1 million, that's $40,000. And in Redondo Beach, it's going 7% over, so on $1 million, that's $70,000 over asking. So just to give you an idea what the average in the market's doing, obviously there's extreme examples above and extreme examples below, but the market is definitely continuing to rise. Interest rates are still historically low, and I still believe it is not a horrible time to A, be a seller, and definitely B, be a buyer, because all the people that bought last year have instant equity here in 2022, and I see that trend continuing. Thank you very much. As always, thank you so much. I do these market reports every month and try to provide as much value as I can and insight into our local market. If there's any area or property or neighborhood you would like me to share information about, please feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.